Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, in this video we're going to discuss about two really good job opportunities for all the candidates, all batch candidates. We're going to see the eligibility criteria. If you have done your BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MCA, MSc, BSc, all are eligible. We'll see in detail. Please do watch the video till the end for both the opportunities, and both the companies are really good to work with. We're going to discuss each and every point about the job opportunity. You don't have to worry about anything. Along with that, before that guys, it's just a request. If you are new to my channel, I used to make videos on daily job updates, latest recruitment process, interview question and answers, and the interview experiences of the selected candidates. I used to share on this channel on regular basis. So please do subscribe to the channel if you are looking for a job or job change. This channel is going to be very helpful during your off-campus drives. Okay, so guys, first we'll discuss about the opportunities. The first opportunity that is coming is from Adobe company. Adobe is really one of the really good company to work with, guys, and they are hiring for software engineer. Okay, they are hiring for software engineers, and the job location is Bangalore and Noida. Here they have given all the details about the job role, that what you need to do. See, you need to create it or enhance test automation framework. You need to debug software products. You need to develop, modify and execute software test plans. You need to maintain documentation of test results. Okay, so these are the job responsibilities. I'll give you a link also in the description box. You just go read out all the points carefully. Then what is the requirement? Like, we'll see about the eligibility criteria first. See, if you have done your BE, BTech or ME, MTech in computer science with excellent academic record, you are eligible to apply. Experience with object-oriented programming is must. C++ skills are nice to have to give your best from the beginning. Okay, basic Objective C is a nice to have. Experience in working with medium, large scale, sophisticated software test frameworks. Should be able to perform in-depth product testing, such as writing and executing test scripts and writing test specifications from product specification. So guys, these are the requirements. Like, they're not asking for any professional experience, working experience, but you should have knowledge of C++, OOPS concepts. Along with that, should have understanding of automated test. Okay, so these are the requirement. That's the skills requirement. I'm sure if you belongs to any computer science branch, you all know about all this. C and C++ is the basic thing if you're a computer science student. Okay, so this is the requirement, and they have not mentioned any particular branch, but this this profile is for freshers. So all 2020 and 2021 batch candidates can apply, no problem with that. They have not specified any particular batch. Okay, so if you are looking for a job, go ahead, apply for the same. Freshers are eligible. Go guys, apply. No application charges are there. You just need to click on the apply now, and you need to fill your basic details. Along with that, you need to submit your resume. Here you need to take care. You need to update your resume very nicely. You need to mention all the things required, all the skills required. Use keywords such as related to C, C++, frameworks, testing modules. If you have done any certification courses in C, C++, or if you have done any projects, or if you have attended any competition, just highlight all those things in your resume. Mention your GitHub profile, mention your coding platform link. So that will help you all guys here, okay, to get your CV shortlisted for this role. Now the next role that we have is with company CodeLogix. Okay, this is again a good company, guys, and here they are hiring for the position of software developer trainee. Okay, and the position is IT department. This company, they are looking for fresher software developers, guys. Here they have given all the details about the company. If you want to know in detail, you can go and read out all these points. I'll give you a link in the description box. Now we'll see about your responsibilities and duties. See, in this profile, you need to produce details specification. As a fresher, always keen to learn, expected to write clean and well-designed code after completion of training. Take the initiative to develop and deploy new features to facilitate related procedures and tools if necessary. Okay, should be flexible and should be able to work in a team. So this is the responsibilities here that you have. Now we'll see about the key skills requirement. So guys, for this profile, you should have knowledge of HTML5, CSS, PHP, Python, Java, JavaScript and Swift. So guys, अगर आपको Java आता है, Python आता है, HTML आता है, go ahead, apply for this profile. And the required experience and qualification is BSc, BCA, MCA, BE, BTech. All 2020 and 2021 graduates are eligible. तो guys अगर आपने अपना 2020 या 2021 में ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर लिया है, लाइक बी टेक, BCA, MSc, MCA, BSc, MSc, all are eligible. Go ahead, apply for the same profile. System and broadband connection need to be available. Okay, ये आपको टेक केयर रखना होगा बिकॉज ड्यू टू कोविड कंडीशन रिमोट इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस रहने वाला है आपका. यू डोंट हैव टू गो एनीवेयर. द कंप्लीट प्रोसीजर विल बी वर्चुअल ओनली. पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट रिक्वायर्स एंड वर्चुअल मीटिंग. सो वर्चुअल मीटिंग के थ्रू आपका इंटरव्यू होगा. यहाँ पर आपको अप्लाई करना है. जो सैलरी यहाँ पर ये ऑफर कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ बिटवीन 13,000 to 25,000 per month. So guys, I'll give you a link also in the description box. You just need to go and apply for the same profile. Need to fill your basic details and upload your resume. Here also you need to update your resume nicely. Use keywords related to Java, JavaScript. If you have done any project in Python, Java, mention all those things, highlight all those things so that your CV gets shortlisted. Okay, so all the best guys. Both the profiles are good. Go ahead, apply. No application charges are there. All the best. Please do subscribe to the channel.